Yes, consider solving this program. Okay. So that is, you're asked to remove empty strings from a list of strings. So consider a string, okay, which are basically a list of strings here. There are some empty strings in this list, like this, like this, and like this. Okay. Now we need to remove all those empty strings and obtain after removing the empty strings. Okay. The result should be like this, because from the original list you can see I have, after removing the empty strings, you can get the result like this, isn't it? So let us take the same list. Okay, I'm considering the same list here to solve the problem. So on this list we have to check using a condition whether each of this list element is empty or not. Okay, if it is non-empty, then only you append to another list. Okay, so I'll call it as a resultant list. So consider this is my resultant list, which is initially empty, where I'll pick up only non-empty elements and append those non-empty elements to this resultant list. Okay, so for each string inside this list of strings, which is considered as str list. Okay, if yes, okay, if suppose that string is non-empty string, then only you are going to append that string to the resultant list. Okay, so let's do this. A resultant list must be updated by performing appending of this s. Okay, and finally you have to display this resultant list res underscore list. Okay, so now let's run this code and see the result. You can observe clearly all the empty strings are removed and we are able to see only the non-empty strings from the original list of strings, isn't it? So this is one thing you can do, and there are other ways also in order to solve this problem. Okay, so by applying a filter function, okay, so which is a built-in function, let us apply that built-in function here. So I'm converting it back into a list. Okay, and I'm applying this filter function. Okay, on which elements, which are basically none or empty. Okay, on this str list, you are considering str list as input to perform this filter functionality. Okay, so now finally I can display this result. Okay, that is resultant list can be displayed. Okay, so let's run this code and see. You can see the same result I'm able to get. Okay, with the help of filter function. This is how you can apply filter function, and there's an alternative logic to solve the problem. Okay,